Hello, in this video, we will introduce copy constructors. Every class has a copy constructor, which is used to copy objects. If you don't define a copy constructor explicitly, it's provided by default. By default, it provides a shallow copy. We'll look at the shallow copy with examples later. Now, let's see what is syntax for this copy constructor. It's the class name with const class name. This is the pass by reference. And see here, I'm going to have this demo for copy constructor. First, in the circle class, we did not explicitly define a copy constructor, but we can still use it. So we're going to create circle 2 from circle 1. So that is copy constructor. That's performing, constructing a new object from the existing one. So that's circle 1. Circle 2 now is a copy of circle 1. So you can get all the information out from circle 2. Now get the radius, and so this is all the information, and that is, and you can also modify this, set a new radius, circle 1, circle 2. They're independent, the two different objects. So this here, circle 1 is now 10.5 and circle 2 is 20.5. So they are different. And first, after you make this copy, and they are same radius. So this is, but after you set radius, so they're different. So they're independent objects. All right, so now let's look at what is shallow copy from this example. It's, this is my courses. So I create course 1 and course 2. So this is the course 1 with this, the name is C++ and the maximum capacity is 10. So now creating course 2 using the copy constructor. So we create a course 2. It's identical. So let's do this. I'm going to add a new student, Peter Ma, to course 1. And now we're going to add to course 2 is Lisa Ma. So this is Peter Pan and it's Lisa Ma. So now let's see what happens. We're going to display the first student in course 1. It is this course 1.get students. And now this is the first one in student. And now we're going to supply to C. This identical. In course 1, it's Lisa Ma. In course 2, it's Lisa Ma. But we added Peter Pan in course 1. So what happened? This is because of the shallow copy. So let's look at the diagram. You're going to see this is the reason here. So we have this course 1, course 2. You create a course 1 out first, and then you make a copy creating course 2 from course 1. So it's a shallow copy. So the course name, it's the same, and number of students the same, and the capacity the same. So what about the student? It's also same. They all point to the same array of strings for students. Now you're going to add course 1. So what happens here for course 1? You add it. So now it's right here, Peter Pan. Hey, you're going to add from course 2. So what is the number of students is 0. So you add it here. At this 0 index, you add Lisa Ma. So this is what happened. Now, we're going to fix this problem. We're going to by performing a deep copy in the next section. That is all for this introduction on copy constructor. We'll get into the next section to see how we perform a deep copy. See you on the next video.